Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Shruts is with me, breaking her mic.
No. This time it was wires, but it's
Oh.
all good.
I am Jojo, and we are reacting to something highly requested.
Acha.
It is a new song from Atif Aslam.
It's been a while. It's been a while, right? Yeah.
I think the last one was, I think it was a remake of some song that he did, no?
Yeah.
So this one is also on, I think, the same YouTube channel called Sufi Score.
Correct.
And this one's called Dil Jalane Ki Baat. So
I can already, the title words like Gaane ke, the main title is like that I can hear it in his voice already. I don't know what the song is about. I don't know what it will be. But you know how Dil Jalane Ki Baat, I can already hear it. Like, it's a perfect song for Atif Aslam kind of a voice. So,
I
yes.
know. The name is giving us vibes of Adat and whatnot.
That's the power of his voice. Yeah.
Chalo, music is by Saad Sultan. There's actress Raquel Valdez. There is okay, looks like it's shot in Dubai. I don't know. Chalo, dekhte hain, whatever it is. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, play.
आशियाने की बात करते हो, आशियाने की बात करते हो, दिल जलाने की बात करते हो, दिल जलाने की बात करते हो, आशियाने की बात करते हो। सारी दुनिया के रंजो गम देखे, सारी दुनिया के रंजो गम देखे, मुस्कुराने की बात करते हो, मुस्कुराने की बात करते हो, आशियाने की बात करते हो। हादसा था गुजर गया होगा, हादसा था गुजर गया होगा, किसके जाने की बात करते हो, किसके जाने की बात कर
So isn't this, I can't remember, a Noor Jahan song? Or has also Mehndi Hasan ji done? Because ये गाना है, मुझे artist याद नहीं आ रहा है कि original artist कौन थे.
It's
But
written
either,
here. Original song artist Malika Tarannum Noor Jahan, lyrics Javed
हाँ,
Qureshi, composer
yeah,
Tasadduk Shad.
yeah.
Um,
Because
it is
I've
a
heard many versions of this song. Like, you know, the greats have done this song as versions. Like,
yeah.
oh, I didn't know
So
it was that song.
I think that's the thing on this channel. Now they pick a lot of the greats and then
Yeah.
they recreate them. So what are your thoughts?
So my thoughts are the moment it started, I was like, अरे ये तो वो वाला गाना है. And मेरे एक कान में Yesteryear का गाना बज रहा था, like, you know, through my subconscious, and एक कान में ये वाला गाना बज रहा था. So, you know, as we've discussed earlier, it gets very difficult when you like the original song to then hear a new version, and it's difficult not to compare. Like, you know, and then you have to tell yourself saying, नहीं यहाँ comparison नहीं करना है, क्योंकि दोनों बहुत ही अलग-अलग अंदाज में गाए हुए गाने हैं. So while the song is the same, and this is also kind of a tribute, or, you know, it's out of respect that this is being done. So, like, you know, you just have to kind of separate it out in your head. I cannot say that I will not think of the original. Like, this was so good that it is making me like forget the, no, not at all. The original is the original, and there is no way, nothing can touch it. Lekin on his own, this song, the variations Atif Aslam has put, you know, to create this into a new age song, into a today's song, so that more people will listen. Because jo purane wala gana, I don't know how many people will actually listen to it, because uska sound bahut different hai. It's a very yesteryear sounding, retro ka bhi retro type sounding gana hai wo, you know. So I don't know how many people would actually revisit it if it wasn't sung in the way this song has been sung now. So I think kudos to Atif Aslam and the whole team to actually do that, because it's a very difficult song to do that too, you know. So those are my thoughts about it. Like, I absolutely love it, but definitely I'm going to listen to the original now. Ek baar, just like man to kar raha hai. Like, you know, I have to listen to it. But it's a beautiful song. It's a beautiful song.
So I tell you, like, we are probably from a time where we've kind of been at that junction where we've heard the originals, and we are now getting to hear the remakes and the recreations as well. We're kind of in that very happy sort of era. So you and I can appreciate the fact that the original is so iconic and so great, and, you know, uske versions bhi bahut bane hain, and all of that. And we can sort of, that's our reference point in our mind when we're listening to it. So a lot of kids today, or the younger lot, who've never heard that or ever even gotten into that music, for them, they'll hear this and they'll be like, what a beautiful song, kya lines hai, and, you know, so it's, in that sense, it's great that it's bringing back the classics and reintroducing them in the voices of these very talented singers and very famous singers of today to the younger people. So that said, yes, it is very difficult to not compare. When the first you know, the first two shades happened, I was just like, aha, ye wo wala hai. And you know, the thing is, while I love Atif as a singer, and I love his voice, and I love the texture and everything, in this song I felt like, and because we've heard him do this, he's done a lot of classical remakes, and he's gone completely soft with his vocals. He's done the harkats, and he's done the, you know, you know, shown us his sort of thing as a ghazal singer in the past. I wish he had done that in this, because for me, what was happening was, while I loved the starting of the song, somewhere down the line, I felt like I wish he'd gone softer on this track, just because the meaning of the lines would have hit me so much more. But he stayed in this sort of middle zone. And then in the second half of the track, I felt like the arrangement and the music, the instruments that were all coming in together, when he, you know, kept repeating the lines from the, I think I looked at the timestamp, I think it was from the 3rd minute or the 3.5 minute point. It kind of started losing me there, because I was like, he's going, you know, he's going into the Atif zone, which is like super high pitch and all of that, but he's also doing it because he has to work with the arrangement of the music in that portion. And for me, the arrangement got so busy that it kind of was like my emotional place was getting disturbed with the song, because the piano bhi aa gaya, fir, you know, in the middle, when they had the harmonium come in with the tabla, I love that part, because while keeping it modern and today the version, it went into that, so it touched the original old tone. And it was beautifully done. So in the end, when they decided to bring all the instruments together, I felt like it got too busy and the song didn't need it. So had he stayed in in the sort of softer vocal zone, even for that bit where he's repeating the lines, and he had just
Yeah.
maintained the song with his voice being the main instrument, as opposed to the heavy arrangement underneath all of it. I feel like it would have left me with goosebumps, you know, the
Mm.
whole
Yeah.
ending
Yeah.
bit of it.
Yeah.
So there it kind of I got derailed in my in my mind and in my emotional place. But having said all of that, um I would still give props to the whole team for bringing out these
Yeah.
classics and presenting them,
Absolutely.
and for singers like Atif to get behind the project and
Yeah.
actually say, yes, let's do it.
Correct.
Let's try something new. I mean,
Yeah.
for me personally, that's what happened. I'm not saying other people will not love it or not connect with it. From what I'm seeing in the comments, people are loving this. They're just like loving it. There's not one
What's
bad
there?
comment here.
What's there not
Um,
to love? Like,
yeah,
it's Atif Aslam singing a legendary song, like,
yeah.
you know, and shot pretty nicely. Like, you know, I did feel like
Clean, simple. I like the
हाँ
short
कि
shooting.
हाँ like लेकिन जो विजुअल था ना उसमें एक बहुत ही ऐसे एक वो what is the word, that tadap of like, you know, when you're going away but you're there with the person, which is what the song also was about.
Yeah.
That was fully there, like, you know.
Mm.
And I was like, not bad, yeah, they've shot it like in
Mm.
minimalistic way, they've shot it actually really well, like, you know,
Yeah.
that's like, it's looking nice. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, kudos to the team for doing projects like this and for bringing this out. So thank you guys for requesting this, and let us know what happened to Atif Aslam's own channel. He released Raat, I think that's what we reacted to last, no?
Yeah, yeah.
And I thought he's coming up with more of his singles.
I'm sure he
but
will.
He will,
I'm sure
no?
धीरे धीरे. He's
Hmm.
also from that era ना, where he's like, अभी एक single दूंगा, आराम से उसको पहले relish करो,
Yeah.
enjoy करो, फिर धीरे धीरे
Yeah.
आगे.
Yeah.
I like that. I
Actually,
appreciate it.
that's good. Yeah, that's a good
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
But okay, we hope he drops his new one on his channel sometime soon in the future, and we look forward to it. In the
Absolutely.
meantime, check out Miss Bola's channel. It's linked below in
Yeah.
the description. And we'll see you in the
And-
next one. Hmm?
Correct.
What?
Yes.
Saying something?
And I was just saying, for new requests and for things, you know what to do. So just
Oh.
while you're doing that, while you're messaging on Instagram, going to, you know, to Jyoti Sardar on Instagram, नहीं तो लोग वहाँ जाके जो ढूंढ रहे हैं, like जो कहाँ है, जो कहाँ है, जो मिल नहीं रही है. So like Jyoti Sardar, that's what you need to look for.
It's written
And let
below.
us know. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. देखो, यहाँ देखो. So yeah, बस.
Chalo.
with that,
हाँ,
bye.
chalo. Live long and prosper.